Learn English to Gujarati. Do and have done with.
karvuṁ.
Welcome to Action Time. Hey, you're here to learn Gujarati without falling asleep on page 3. Today you'll master how to say do and have done, and you'll sound surprisingly impressive very quickly. Our hero today is the mighty verb,
karvuṁ.
which means do. Think of it as the button that turns ideas into action. You want to do this now? Say, I want to.
karvuṁ.
This now. They can do the work tomorrow? Yes, they can.
karvuṁ.
It is easy to do? Then it is easy to say.
karvuṁ.
Imagine a lazy robot that only starts moving when someone presses a glowing button labeled.
karvuṁ.
Honestly, relatable. The magic base form. Let's start simple and powerful. If you remember one word first, make it this one. English. Do. Gujarati.
karvuṁ.
Say it with me.
karvuṁ.
Mini image. A checklist on the wall lights up every time you say.
karvuṁ.
Funny reminder. The opposite of not doing is surprise.
karvuṁ.
Quick comparison. Make can be.
બનાવવું.
But every day, do is often.
karvuṁ.
I did it and I want a snack. Now you're moving from action to completed action. This is where your Gujarati starts sounding more real. To say, I have done, use.
મેં કર્યું છે.
Picture yourself finishing your homework, dropping the pencil dramatically, and whispering like a movie hero.
મેં કર્યું છે.
I have done my homework becomes.
મેં મારું હોમવર્ક કર્યું છે.
I have done the work already becomes.
મેં કામ પહેલેથી કર્યું છે.
Tiny victory dance optional but recommended. You did it too. Time to praise someone else, or gently expose them when they really did eat the last cookie. For, you have done, say.
તમે કર્યું છે.
Imagine a teacher pointing at your finished project and saying, very proudly.
તમે કર્યું છે.
You have done the work, is.
તમે કામ કર્યું છે.
You have done well today, is.
તમે આજે સારું કર્યું છે.
If someone presses one tiny button and acts like they built the moon, you can still say.
તમે કર્યું છે.
Technically true. He, she, and that mysterious thing. Here comes the useful pronoun parade. Stay with me, and no one gets lost. He has done.
તેણે કર્યું છે.
Example.
તેણે બહુ સારું કામ કર્યું છે.
He has done a great job. She has done.
તેણીએ કર્યું છે.
Example.
તેણીએ તે સારી રીતે કર્યું છે.
She has done it well. It did or it made.
તે કર્યું.
Example.
તે કામ ઝડપથી કર્યું.
It did the job quickly. Funny image. A cat types a whole report, a woman finishes the real work, a boy takes credit, and the toaster somehow also helps. Gujarati can handle this chaos beautifully. We did it together. Now let's bring in teamwork, friendship, and the kind of group project where 2 people work and 5 people say, we. For, we have done, say.
અમે કર્યું છે.
We have done the work, is.
અમે કામ કર્યું છે.
We have done our best, is.
અમે આપણું શ્રેષ્ઠ કર્યું છે.
This is the phrase for teams, families, classmates, and anyone holding a crooked poster board together and pretending it was all part of the plan.
અમે કર્યું છે.
You all and they all. Plural time. You're talking to a group now, so let's sound gloriously organized. If you say, you all have done, use.
તમે બધા કર્યું છે.
Example.
તમે બધા કામ કર્યું છે.
You all have done the work. If you say, they have done, use.
તેમણે કર્યું છે.
Example.
તેમણે કામ પહેલેથી કર્યું છે.
They have done the work already. One person finishes and takes a selfie. A whole group finishes and suddenly everyone wants cake. Mini dialogue circus. Let's make these phrases move. Listen like it's a tiny comedy show with very productive characters. A. What should we do? B. We should.
કરવું.
The task now. A. Did you finish it? B.
મેં કર્યું છે.
A. Did I finish it? B. Yes.
તમે કર્યું છે.
A. Who finished the work? B.
તેણે કર્યું છે.
A. Did the team finish it? B.
અમે કર્યું છે.
Teacher. Did the class finish? U.
તમે બધા કર્યું છે.
Manager. Did the workers finish? U.
તેમણે કર્યું છે.
Quick drill, no panic. You answer in your head, out loud, or with the confidence of a person who definitely did the homework. How do you say, do?
કરવું.
How do you say, I have done?
મેં કર્યું છે.
How do you say, you have done?
તમે કર્યું છે.
How do you say, he has done?
તેણે કર્યું છે.
How do you say, she has done?
તેણીએ કર્યું છે.
How do you say, it did?
તે કર્યું.
How do you say, we have done?
અમે કર્યું છે.
How do you say, you all have done?
તમે બધા કર્યું છે.
How do you say, they have done?
તેમણે કર્યું છે.
Memory tricks that are slightly silly. A weird memory is often a strong memory. So yes, we are using dramatic nonsense on purpose. Picture your front door with a glowing sign.
કરવું.
On the mat, you stand proudly saying.
મેં કર્યું છે.
Your friend points at you and says.
તમે કર્યું છે.
A boy next door gets applause.
તેણે કર્યું છે.
A woman walks by with the finished checklist.
તેણીએ કર્યું છે.
Then, somehow, the vacuum cleaner cleans the stairs and everyone gasps.
તે કર્યું.
Your family arrives.
અમે કર્યું છે.
The whole class arrives.
તમે બધા કર્યું છે.
Finally, the neighbors appear with snacks, and yes.
તેમણે કર્યું છે.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work, yes, really. You just practiced a full set of useful Gujarati action phrases. Thank you for learning with me. Keep repeating.
કરવું. મેં કર્યું છે. તમે કર્યું છે. તેણે કર્યું છે. તેણીએ કર્યું છે. તે કર્યું. અમે કર્યું છે. તમે બધા કર્યું છે.
And.
તેમણે કર્યું છે.
Practice a little every day, laugh when it gets messy, and remember, learning a language is not about being perfect, it is about showing up and doing it. Or in Gujarati.
કરવું.